folks, Dr. Garry back with you now here on the homestead here at GBL, the old church 5-acre homestead. If you have been following our YouTube channel, you know that we are in the process of building a chicken coop and a run right next to the new barn right here on the property. And I want to make sure that our chickens are safe and secure, and for that we're going to be setting up not one but 2 trail cameras by VooPeak. Now, I have this one here, and you've seen this one on various videos that we've already created on our YouTube channel. This is the TC08. It is a solar trail camera, but we're going to be using it. Basically has a security camera and to watch our chickens when we get them very, very soon. I'm going to be setting this one up right up on that birch tree that you see right there in the distance. Now, I also have this other one. The other camera that I have, also from VooPeak, is the 4G solar-powered TC27. This one has pan and tilt and 360 degrees, so this one can be moved around with an app on your phone. It is a great, great 4G solar camera. Also solar powered, which is a great, great thing. And this one, no batteries. There are 4 built-in batteries, but you never ever have to change them because of the solar power. So there you go. We're going to be setting that one up on the front of the new barn, and thereby using the pan and tilt to check around this property and to see how things are going and what's happening, that kind of stuff. So you look forward to an installation video of this one here, the 4G solar-powered camera by VooPeak, the TC27, coming soon on our channel. But for today, I'm going to be setting that camera right there, the TC08, up on that birch tree, and you're welcome to join me, folks. Before we go any further in this installation video now of Mr. Garry climbing up that ladder there and hooking up that trail camera, which is going to be a security camera, I just want to show you around and give you some context in terms of where we are. We are right on the side of the new barn that still needs siding. We'll get to that. That's not an issue. We have the siding. It's just a matter of getting at it. But we're going to be building a chicken coop right here on this piece of land that I have cleared off. I've moved some of the shell rock away so that it's nice and smooth and level right here. And I'm walking the distance right here. Now, part of this is going to be the chicken coop, and part of it is going to be the run. And we're going to be doing a concrete foundation around here to keep out the shrews and the rats and the mink and the weasels, that kind of stuff. So hopefully we'll get that taken care of in the next couple of days. In the video yesterday, you saw my son Devin and I visit a self-serve VooPeak washed crushed stone and sand a site near Gander, and we went there and we picked up all the crushed stone and sand that we need to do our concrete work. So look forward to that video coming very, very soon. So this is where the chicken coop is going to be. We're clearing a bit of land over here as well, so hopefully we'll get that straightened away very, very soon. We do have a heavy equipment company coming very, very soon with 1, perhaps 2 loads of fill to fill in this hole that you see back here. Now, we do need to have that filled in to make this land a little bit more level, and we'll be using clementine to kind of level it off. But we do need, like I said, 1 or 2 loads to go here, maybe even 2 or 3. We'll see how that goes. But I'm getting ready now to climb up that aluminum ladder that I have there. I have it pretty secure there at the base. Got a stone there to keep it level, and I've already climbed up it a couple of times to make sure that it was secure. I can easily get up there and install the TC08 by VooPeak, and it's going to go right up there by that limb right there, and it's going to overlook the chicken run and the chicken coop once we get it built. So that's a good thing, because if while I'm sitting on the couch or on the chair watching a movie with Miss Betty, and I take a look on my camera and I see that there's a weasel or a mink outside near the chicken coop, or a fox or whatever, then I can come out and shoo it away, or Probably throw a rock at it or something, I don't know. But I'll do something to make sure that our chickens are safe in the coop that's going to be built right here and in that run that's next to it. So in the next little clip, you will see Mr. Garry climbing up that ladder, installing the VooPeak TC08 solar powered trail camera. Okay, so here's the trail camera. Comes with a strap for attaching it to a tree. Okay, so let me climb up here. Okay, it's very safe, I do think. Okay, I'm gonna install it right around there, I do think, using the strap. It's pretty straightforward, the installation of these cameras, folks. Now, I'm gonna point it over in that general direction right there, folks, so that we can get some pictures from the coop and from the run. So I'm gonna tighten up the strap. Now I've got lots of extra here, so I'll weave it up around that branch just to make sure it's good and secure. I'll tuck it inside there like that. Okay. And I'll probably put a knot into it, make sure that it's nice and safe up here. No, I don't think that trail camera is going anywhere. It's good and safe right now. Hopefully, I'll be able to get a little bit of video to share with you in this video, but it won't be of the chickens and it won't be of the run, of course, but it'll be some video showing the location of where the chicken coop and the run is going to go. So that should be a safe place for that trail camera, and I know it's on because I made sure that it was. So it is all set up. Again, and for context, that's where the chicken coop is going to go. That's where the run is going to go. This is where we are making some land, and we have 3 beautiful birch trees right there that we are not going to be taking down. They're going to stay there because they do look nice and majestic, and once the leaves come out on them, they're going to look gorgeous right here on the homestead. And it is where I just installed the VooPeak TC08 to watch over the chicken coop, which we're going to be building right here in this location. So there you go. There you go. Trail camera, security camera installed to protect our chickens when we get them. Let me zoom in again for you. There you go. VooPeak TC08 trail camera, folks. Installed now on that birch tree. Hi folks, we are installing a trail camera as a security camera here on the homestead, here at GBL, the Old Church 5-acre homestead. And I want to thank you, before I go, for joining us in the installation of that camera in this video. You are always welcome to stop by our YouTube channel. We appreciate that so very, very much. Please like, please share, please subscribe, do all of that kind of stuff, because we do appreciate you being a part of our community and our YouTube channel. GBL, the Old Church 5-acre homestead. Coming very, very soon is going to be the installation of this trail camera right here, the TC27 4G solar. So come back for that installation video very, very soon. And of course, be sure to follow our newest series, how to build a chicken coop. We are doing it right here on the homestead. It is a long-awaited project, a project that Miss Betty and I have been waiting for a very, very long time, getting our very first ever chickens. And that's coming very, very soon. So be sure to stay and follow us for that. You have a blessed day, and we'll see you in another video very, very soon. Take care, folks. Dr. Garry signing out. Trail camera is, I'm trying to point to it. It's right above Oh, hold on. Let me see if I can get over there. Oh, I just passed it. It's right up there. What about my finger? Right up there in that tree. The TC08. Thanks for joining us, folks. You have a good one.